Alright guys, welcome back to Project Loadstar. Today I'm gonna do the front centerpiece of the hood. And as you can see, it's quite rotten. So yeah, it's got an inner structure as well that's rotten. So I will start to make the inner structure and yeah, clear this out and make a new one, put it in, and then I'm gonna do the outer structure after that. So there you have it, the inner structure. I'm just gonna fit it right back in again, just so it sits perfect, and all the demolition I've made make that fit perfectly again, and then I have a perfect piece to make a copy of. Alright, take a look at this. I'm starting with this inner piece in the very end. I made this, and now I'm gonna bend it like I did with this one, so it fits right around here. Therefore we got an end each side. So let's see how it goes. So we're gonna stretch this. Yeah. A little more. Right about there. A little bit back. Yeah, that's good. All right, so now I'm so far with this inner piece, and it fits right in there like a glove. Then now I'm just have to fit those. I think I will trim them down on this outer side and just fit them right in here, and put that piece up there, and yeah, mark it up and weld it so it fits perfect. Yep. So now that this piece is finished, I only need to make these two press down holes. So I'm over here at the hydraulic press, and I found two, yeah, you know what this is. And I put them in here, and let's see if I can. I made a sample just to see how it goes, and this looks actually pretty good. So let's try and see how much it's gonna change form. Let's see what this can Not too bad. It's actually quite good. I think it's around here. It's good. One more and should be finished. That's beautiful. I'm satisfied. I am satisfied. So now I'm gonna try to use the English wheel. To be honest, I haven't. Yeah, I've done it a few times, but really don't have any experience with it. So I'm really gonna I'm gonna wing it. And let's see how it goes. Just I'm just gonna try and see how it is going to shape, and yeah. Usually I'll find my way. So now we have the inner piece and the outer piece. And now my plan is to get this attached to here somehow, and still can cut the outer piece away. I don't know. Then I just have to measure it out and cut it after this one. And then if I can line this on and get the same measurement from here to here, then it should be good. But yeah, I have to try. Alright, let's see if I can line all these parts up. Take a look at that. Wow. Look how tight it fits. Wow, I like it. There's a little gap here. Just push it down. And then, look at that. Nice! Woo! I like that. I only need to make these curvy end parts, and this whole nose is like new. Wow! I'm satisfied. Now the outer layer is just where I want it, nice and clean on the outside, and I've just rounded this end with a dolly and just hammered it down so it has the nice rounding like it is up here. So now I have this lined up, is secured in the inside, and I have my inner structure here, fits right in, and like this, and if I just clamp it on this way, and now I just have to make these so they fit exactly in this corner. Just have to grind it a little before it fits perfectly. So that will I do now.